Well, now a very interesting phenomenon that has come to light that during the coronavirus pandemic, that the number of heart attacks during this time have reduced according to hospital data. Is this because they're unreported, or have they truly reduced? Have steps taken to prevent the spread of coronavirus actually helped reduce heart attacks? Well, for more on this, we're joined by Dr. Samin Sharma, Chairman, Eternal Hospital, Jaipur, and President of the Mount Sinai Heart Network in New York. Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining us this morning. So tell us about the data that you've seen and the reasons that you think heart attacks have gone down during this period.
Yes, good morning, Gargi. Just to say that, of course, while we are fighting for Corona and COVID-19 crisis, the hospitals are full with the Corona cases. One very unusual phenomena came that heart patients who used to come with a heart attack, unstable angina, they all actually have disappeared. And this helped us to take care of the Corona patients. But at the same time, the mechanism that why we are having a less heart patients is whether it's because they are afraid to come to the hospital, or is truly we are having a lower incidence of heart attack at now. So I can tell you that initially everybody was just concerned or thought that it is because patients are not coming. But this is now the global observation. We actually, as of yesterday, we have 7 publications from various areas of the world, including 3 from America, Italy, China, India, and so that publication all comparing heart attack incidence in last 2.5 months compared to mid-March to May of 2019. And one common observation has come that almost 40 to 60% less heart attack occurred in this time period compared to last year. So question is, yes, it's a good thing. And but the more we as a scientist, yeah.
Right. So, Doctor, you've given certain reasons why you think this could be happening. One is that, of course, during coronavirus lockdown, everybody has been at home and there's work from home. So we're not commuting as much. There's perhaps not as much office stress. Also, something that has been spoken about the world over is how the air quality has improved. So tell us about some of the reasons that you think could be behind this reduced, number of heart attacks or heart incidents taking place.
Yeah, absolutely. So starting with one, which is very minor, that is the patients are afraid to come to the hospital and dying at home. So that is there, but very small, because we know if that happens, everybody, society know about it, patients know, family knows, and they tell us. But most common of the 3 other common causes, one of them is which is because of the direct link of pollution with heart disease and lung disease. Actually, this has been shown that when particulate matter, we call PM 2.5 or 5 or 10, along with the concentration of nitrogen oxide and CO2 in the atmosphere, is directly proportional to the heart disease as well as lung disease. So what everybody knows, because of less vehicular traffic, less airline, less factory exhaust, and so all has resulted in the lower pollution. So that is one factor, in my opinion, contributing very major way to decrease this incidence of heart attack. The second is the people are relaxed. In the past, it was, of course, I'm hearing all the news that a lot of laborers, they actually had to go back, they had trouble, but majority of the people are working from home in a relaxed atmosphere. They're taking care of themselves and less tension of the traffic, less tension of the driving. And of course, that all has resulted in taking care of individual by doing yoga, prayers, exercises, and so. And also then you are taking medications. The patients who have issues with the heart, they now, since they're staying home, they're taking medicines more regularly. The last one, which I would say the also very important factor, is home cooked meal. What does that mean? We all know that fast food of the restaurant, anytime you go to the pub or to a high calorie food you consume, when you go to a dine out and may have extra salt, and all those have been kind of minimized by having a home cooked meal. So therefore, the too much alcohol, smoking, and high calorie food has diminished. So that led to overall decrease in the heart attacks at present. So these are the 4 factors. If I had to just put percent wise, that less patient coming to the hospital, probably 10%. The pollution is responsible for at least 50% of this reduced heart attack, which is a clear-cut global phenomena and true, and about 30% because mentally they are relaxed and less stress, and about 15% or so by the better food and compliance of their medications.
All right. Well, Dr. Sharma, that's absolutely, it's very, very interesting to realize this slowing down that has taken place during the lockdown may have actually helped in reducing the number of heart attacks among people who are prone to heart disease. Thank you so much for joining us with those details.